check. All right. Have a 29-gallon tank. Right about there. All ladies only fish tank. And I had the filter grow bad. It was a Marineland 350. It was old. Come to find out, they're kind of hard to find anymore. Of course, I needed the biggest knife possible if you want the best results. Biowheel Penguin 200. It says it's good for 30 to 50 gallons. It's going on 29, so it should work. Let me put this down. That's a whole different video. Got some instructions. Might need them later. Alright. Got the front cover Biowheel. Top lid. Some strainer pieces. Some pickup tube. Here is the factory filter. We'll get into that here in a little bit. Looks like just a Marineland 350 just cut in half. I don't know. Let's set it up and see what happens. Comes with these blue filters. Charcoal's always nestled at the bottom. It's annoying, which I don't even use charcoal in any of my fish filters. I don't really need it. But what I do use, polyfill low loft. You can get it at craft store, Walmart. I'll cut it into pieces. I save these, I disassemble them, and then just save that. Then you cut this low loft. You can sit it on there, like so. Fold it, stick it right in. That's what she said. But yeah, that's pretty much all you gotta do, set this up. Let's get the old one out. Alright, what I had to do, since this one went bad, got out some of my plumbing stuff. Some PEX tubing, some brass. Brass is a no-no, but it just had to work for in a pinch. Ran the tube down to a pump, which is only about 100 and some gallons per hour. But let's get it out of there. Alright, I lied. Said, you know, wasn't really going to use it, but you know what? Came with it. I'm going to use it. One thing I do run with goldfish, they produce a lot of ammonia. I use API ammo chips. Helps cut back on the ammonia. I always like to give my pump a good prime starting. Some of them say you don't have to. I always do it. Here we go, let's find out. Yeah, it's that Marineland. And there it goes. Alright, you can see it's got some pretty decent flow. Just running this factory carbon filter with some ammo chips. It is. Running the factory filter with the added Biowheel, spinning great. Usually I don't even run a Biowheel, but I'll let it in there for now. Flow, it's flowing great. A lot better than the other one. Got some detritus in there, but you know, there it is running. It's actually really not that bad. Gotta add a little bit of water to it since I took a good chunk out, but as you can see, it's really flowing well. I'll give you an update here in a week or so. Maybe.